What if you could instantly know if ChatGPT is lying or telling the truth? Smart learners don't just trust ChatGPT blindly. They check everything. In our last video, you learned 5 times faster with ChatGPT. But here's my worry. What if I'm learning wrong information? I'm not an expert in everything, so I need a way to check what I learn. That's why I made this 3-step system. It doesn't just check facts. It makes your learning much better. Here's how it works. Learn fast with ChatGPT. Check with Perplexity. Understand connections. Remember forever. Let me show you with brain chemicals from our last video. Step 1. Source check. In our last video, ChatGPT gave us this great explanation of brain chemicals, simple ideas, keywords, even a mind map. Look at all this helpful information, but something is missing. Where did this come from? ChatGPT doesn't show sources. I don't want to remember wrong ideas, so let me check this with Perplexity AI. I'll search, what are neurotransmitters? Simple explanation. Look at this. Medical news today, Cleveland Clinic, government health sites, real medical experts backing up the information. This is step 1. Always check if you can see the sources. When you see real sources, you can trust what you learn. Step 2. Cross-reference, check. Definitions are good, but what really helps understanding are the connections in our mind map. This mind map shows how all the brain chemical ideas connect, but I need to check if these connections are correct before I learn them. Let me copy this and ask Perplexity to verify it. I'll ask, can you verify if this neurotransmitter mind map structure is scientifically accurate? Amazing! Look at this detailed check. It says, generally accurate, fundamental processes described accurately, scientifically accurate for basic explanations. This is step 2. Verify your learning structure with other sources. Now I know my understanding is solid. Step 3. Recency check. Even correct information can become incomplete when science advances. Our brain chemical knowledge is good, but let me check what scientists discovered recently. I'll search latest neurotransmitter discoveries 2023-2024. Wow, look at these new discoveries. In 2023, scientists found that creatine might be a brain chemical, completely new. In 2024, they discovered ophthalmic acid works like dopamine. Our ChatGPT learning is still correct, but science keeps advancing. Step 3. Make sure I don't miss new discoveries that improve my learning. Plus, reading these updates helps me understand the topic even deeper. Here's what we did with my 3-step system. Step 1. Source check. Verified our definitions with medical sources. Step 2. Cross-reference check. Confirmed our mind map is scientifically accurate. Step 3. Recency check. Found new research that improves our understanding. But notice what happened. This wasn't just fact-checking. As I verified each part, I learned more. I understand brain chemicals better now than when I started. This is the power of learn fast, verify, understand, remember. My ChatGPT learning was accurate, improved with new research, and now I trust it completely. This 3-step system works for any topic: brain science, finance, marketing, or programming. You can now learn with complete confidence. To help you use this instantly, I've put all the exact Perplexity prompts I used in a Google Doc in the description below, plus a direct link to Perplexity AI. Just copy, paste, and start verifying your learning. Now that you can verify AI information, ready to remember it all, then watch my previous video, how to memorize 5 times faster using ChatGPT right here. Because once you remember what you understand, you truly own it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.